Hi Stampers, I'm Beth Olson and I'm here today to show you a new all-inclusive kit that will be featured in the Occasions catalog that goes live in January. We are so excited about this all-inclusive kit. It's called the Made to Bloom All-Inclusive Card Kit. It comes with 12 cards and envelopes, 3 different styles with 4 cards of each of the styles. And one of my favorite things is that it comes with this cute little box to store cards in, but I also love that you could give it as a gift. Make the cards up and give them as a gift, or keep them for yourself and store them safely in this little box. Really, really cute. I love the colors of this project kit as well. We have the Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Shaded Spruce, and So Saffron with some gold accents too. Really pretty, springy, just kind of makes you happy, feel happy. I love too the sayings in this kit. They are happy birthday, congratulations, and thank you, which is nice. It's just all occasions. You can make a bunch of congratulations cards if you wanted to, if you have an occasion coming up for that, or if you just need thank you cards, you can customize them to what you want. I really like that about these kits. This kit runs at $27. So if you are a first-time stamper and you're not quite sure where to start, these kits are such a great resource. You get everything you need to create the card kits in the kit. So you get the instructions with picture details, shows you how to make them. You also get a clear block to put your stamps on. You get a little Stampin' spot. So if you don't have big stamp pads, that's okay. You'd only need the Blackberry Bliss ink for this project. You get the little pearls that are accents on the cards, and you get dimensionals. And that's the only adhesive that you need for this particular kit as well. The card bases for this one are so pretty. They are pre-printed and they come in those colors with the gold accents. They're really, really pretty. And then you also have the little die cut flowers. So these images, it looks like they're stamped, but they're not. They're just pre-printed and die cut. So you just pop them out and adhere them on. The envelopes are cute. They come pre-printed on the inside as well. So it gives it just a little bit of extra flair. So let me show you what the cards look like. I put some in this little cute acetate box here. So here's the first one. Congratulations, so happy for you. Just really simple. It was quick to make these. Could just boom them out, and everything that you need is just included in this set. I love this one because green's my favorite color, and I love the shaded spruce is so particularly beautiful. Here's a little happy birthday one, and the gold accents on this is really pretty. So this one is stamped inside the wreath. And that's a little trick I wanted to show you for this particular card. The base comes pre-printed with that white circle on it, so you're just going to stamp right in the base. But it's kind of lined up, which can be intimidating. So I wanted to show you just a little tip to make sure that you get it in the spot that you want it. Here is how that die cut comes. You just pop out the center, and then you pop out the die cut. Really simple. This goes this way. So I'm just going to lay that on the card base so I know exactly where I want my saying to go. And then I'm going to take my clear block that comes with the kit. Here's the stamp set. It looks just like this. It's a photopolymer stamp set, so the stamps are see-through, which makes it really nice so that you can stamp things just where you want them. You feel a little more confident. So I'm going to pull off that backing, and I'm going to grab the happy birthday one. Just a little happy birthday to you, it says. And to adhere it to your stamp, to your block, you just push it down just like that, and it's sticky, so it just grabs right onto it. So with a Stampin' spot, they're so little. What I like to do is put the stamp upside down on my table and put the Stampin' spot on top of the stamp itself. That way I can kind of see that the image is getting all the way inked up and I'm not missing any spots. And then I can see through my clear block and my stamp and just stamp that down. And just like that. And then I would take my Stampin' Dimensionals and put them on the back here. These Stampin' Dimensionals are so fun. They just give it dimension and height and adds a little bit more to your card. And then you take off the little back piece and you just adhere it right over your stamped image. Just like that. Just as simple as that. And then you get to take these cute little pearls and add them on to add a little bit more. I think you get 5 per card, it says in the instructions. So you can kind of glitz them up as much as you want to. There you go. And there you have it. Just as simple as that. You make up these little cards and you have a cute gift to give to somebody, or you're set for the year for your cards that you'd like to send out. And they come even with the envelope, so they're ready to pop right in the mail. I hope that you've received your Occasions catalog and you've looked through it and you love it. If you haven't and you don't have a demonstrator, please let us know. We would love to send you an Occasions catalog. There are so many fun products in there and you're certain to love it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Or if you know anybody who would be interested in this kit, please share this video with them so that they can enjoy it as well. And thanks for watching and have a great week. We'll see you next time for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.